You know, when I was, that song came out when I was a little kid, 10 years old. And my dad used to take me to Red Bank. And it was so popular in Red Bank, in loudspeakers, that song would be playing. You could not get away from Petula Clark in 1965. Impossible. Now, this problem looks impossible, but it's not. Look, conservation of momentum. This is the trick. Are you wondering what the trick is? You have to keep your values straight. All you have are M's and V's. That's all you have. You have M's and V's. You have initials and finals. That's it. You have ones and twos. When you're talking about the conservation of momentum, you're always talking about two things. Two things hitting. Two things moving. Two things changing velocity. Two masses. So you're talking about M1, M2, V1, V2, and then initial and final. So that's six things. M1, M2, V0, V final, and V1, V2. That's it. So you just got to keep your wits about you. You have the equations. You have to practice the equations. And don't forget to evaluate the underpinnings of what we're doing. Those are called the concepts. Now, let's do this problem. Let's finish this problem up. I am spearfishing with a 5 kilogram spear. I am 100 kilograms. The spear is 5 kilograms. I'm holding the spear and we're going nowhere. We're just zero velocity. I shoot the spear. The spear attains a constant velocity of 25 meters per second that way. The kickback, I go this way. How fast do I go? Okay. We know that this whole part is going to be zero. This is going to be not zero. So my mass is 100. Remember, meters, kilograms, seconds. As long as my mass is in kilograms, my velocity is in meters per second, I can leave off the unit labels if that makes it easier for me, as long as I've done due diligence with analyzing the dimensions. Okay? So, this is me. That's going to be my final velocity. So, you can predict I'm going to be negative. Okay. We said the spear is going to be positive direction. 5 kilogram spear, 25 meters per second, MV. Now look, MV, total M times V, MV, MV, total MV, total MV. Initial equals final. It's conserved. The initial equals the final. So solving this, 5 times 25 is 125. Subtract that from both sides. Divide by 100. I get negative 1.25. Negative 1.25 meters per second is going to be my velocity. That's my velocity. Have a great day. And I'll see you next time.